Hey nerds, so let's add an image at the top right here to our SwiftUI app. So to do that, first thing we have to do is go over to this section we're here, and then we're going to click on assets. And then inside this black border, this is basically where we're going to drag our image. So now let's just go over to Finder or wherever you have an image. And then I'll take this and drag this on this black border, minimize our Finder and maximize Xcode. And now just remember the name that you gave your image so for this is nerdy photo. Now I'll go back over to our app to go over to our content view. And then at the top here, since this is where I would want the image, all I have to do is type in image. And you're gonna see a bunch of different options. Ignore all of these for now. Just start typing in the parentheses. And then inside here, inside for these quotation marks, just type in the name of the image. So for us, that would be nerdy photo. And by default, you're gonna see this gigantic image. The reason for that is because we have to add some changes. So we'd have to add some modifiers. So just to take note, we were able to add this image just by typing in the name without doing any type of math or crazy binary. So now let's fix this part here where the image is just too large. So to do this, we have to add some modifiers. So the modifiers we have to add are, the first one is .resizable. And this will basically make it that the image can start being resized and by default, you'll see the simulator already pretty much resizing it. But if we want it to a specific size, say 300 by 300, we have to add a new modifier, and this would be .frame. And we can do the one with the width and the height. And then when we have this here, for the width, just type in 300. And then for the height, type in 300 as well. And when our preview refreshes, you'll see that the image is now at a more better size. So that's how we can set different sizes for the images